Hello friends, this is my first tutorial speaking English. I'm sorry because of I'm not a graduate Englishman, but I can speak simple English. Everybody can understand, I think. If there is any problem they cannot understand, just put one comment in comment section. I will explain about what I'm talking about. Okay, today I'm talking about tax. Okay, before tax, I will explain why I speak in English. For this my videos, I will show you example. This unique videos. Just go to down comment section. Yeah, this is the example for why we should speak English. Okay, this one PDB work they have comment. Firstly, like my friend, this look a very nice game. Great sharing, much blessing, my friends. Another one, good content, brother. Okay, there is one more also. Wonderful gameplay, my friends. Have a happy time. Nice full support. Okay, but I'm talking about unique ideas in this video. Okay, there is inside I play some small games like truck game. I think they understand I explaining about truck game, okay, anything about game. No, I explain about unique ideas. I think if they can understand my language, they can understand better about ideas. But they cannot understand about ideas. They think I speaking about game. Okay, I think you can understand what I'm telling. This example, everybody can do like this. Everybody speaking our language or their own language, other people cannot understand. It is not useful for everybody's. Okay, so better speak English as we can. Any simple English we can explain something like that. Short English also, it's better for everyone. It can be more views, it can get more views, more watch time, more subscriber. Okay, so I will tell you about tax means simply keywords. Okay, in this video I didn't put any English words here in my title. Okay, this here all in my language. English people cannot understand this, what's the meaning of this one. But there is my subscribers, some many subscribers English, they are coming to watch my videos because I'm watching their videos. That's the reason for watching this video. Okay, I will tell you today how to add text and what important. Okay, go to this edit section. Okay, I will tell you. I remove this one, this title. Okay, like this. I remove this like this, and a title, how to become unique YouTuber. YouTuber. Okay, YouTuber. Okay, like this. Okay, you can add description also. Description is also important for views, getting more views. They can, everybody can understand description. Okay, then go to down. There's always down. There is a text. Text is keywords. Okay, I put here keyword how to become unique YouTuber, single new idea, motivation videos, tips and tricks like this. These are the keywords. We can put many keywords here, around 500 letters. That is mean there is more than 20-25 tags we can add. Okay, I will tell you why important this one. Before I here my title is in my language, but I put tags is in English. Okay, if anyone search about this unique videos, my videos also coming to their show in their windows or their phone. Okay, that's the difference between tags and a title. But we should have a good metadata. Metadata means a good title and matching these tags, keywords, also that description. The all the mix coming become a big better videos for everybody. Okay, I think everybody can understand what I'm telling. So you can like this add another text also. I will show you something. I will delete this one. Okay, then I will add tips and tricks again. Down. Tips and tricks. tips and tricks. Okay, then enter. Right, like this we can add any tags here. Okay, if you think better some ideas you can get how to become unique YouTuber. Become this title we can put here also, but separate we can put as a keyword. That's the main reason for the tags. Everybody can search and everybody can understand the video. They can find our videos also if there is tags. That's why tags are important. So everybody can put tags here, then you can save. Okay, like that. Then I change my title also. Then now everybody can, if there is anyone searching about how to become unique YouTuber, my video also they can view, they can watch. Okay, this how to is the most powerful words in YouTube and search bar. So everybody can use this one as tag if they are using like this video. So better to stop this now. Again, I'm sorry for my language because I'm not a graduate man. I think simply English understand everybody. If any problem, please comment me. I will explain everything. My language also. Again, thanks again. See you in next video. Thank you.